And I'm sure Christina would have helped you in every doubts that you had, gone ahead and cleared everything.
Yes.
Amazing,
Ma'am cleared everything. All the doubts
amazing.
which I have. It was really fun to learn it with her.
Thank you,
And
Arya.
what are the skills that you have developed till now? So what can you review?
Well, I learned time management because I used to do my projects like I took very much time to complete my projects.
Okay,
So I learned time management to some
amazing,
extent.
amazing.
That's good.
Time management is a skill that you'll be using throughout your life, not just in studies and regular, personal life itself, right? Apart from that, in skills, which course did you opt for, Christina?
UI
UI.
UX.
Okay, so you have a complete in-depth understanding of how to design an interface based on a user's need, right? What all things are required.
Yes.
That's very good. Let's have a round of applause for her for learning this skill set.
Abhishek, do you remember the presentation that I had sent in the management group? For
Yeah,
UI?
yeah.
That is Arya's presentation.
Oh, okay. Oh, the UI UX one. Okay, that's Arya's one. Oh, I've seen that. That is amazing. I didn't know it.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
that's nice.
Great. I think I will. Christina,
So,
do you have something you want to say about Arya?
yeah.
Yeah, so Arya was a great student. Arya is a great student, in fact. And from day one, like she's not hesitant. That's the main thing. She's whenever she has any doubts, immediately she asks me. But sometimes she waits to the end of the class to ask me. So even if the class goes a bit overtime or whatever, she always she's very clear about her stuff. She knows what she wants to do. So that's great. Although since right now it's too young for her to decide, which field she has to go to. She was in 10th and in 10th I had not even decided my stream, which stream I want to go to. So obviously that things there, but now she's inclined to design a bit and she has great creative instincts. So she's doing a great job at this age and she has an idea of where she wants to go to. So that's what I'm most impressed about. And she obviously made progress. Great progress. So I'm proud
Thank
of
you,
her.
ma'am.
Wonderful.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I'll actually miss teaching her.
Ma'am, I'll miss learning.
So, Arya, anything that you've thought of what you'll do in your near future or your plans?
I'm not exactly sure about that right now, but I know that I'll be interested in the science stream.
Okay, that's good.
That's
At least you have a stream chosen there. So good.
And we will also send you an actual copy of the certificate once things kind of settle down. The initial idea that we had when we started off was to get these graduations done at different spots, like with all the students coming in. But with Corona and everything, it's a little difficult. So, yeah, but it's come together and kind of have a look. Now, I'll show you the certificate.
Yeah,
yes.
there's the certificate. Arya,
You have to go.
Congrats, Arya.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Arya.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Arya.
Thanks a lot.
How do you feel, sir?
Well, I feel very happy that she has begun her journey and she's very interested in it. So I think this certificate is kind of a milestone and then more milestones to come.
Definitely, many more to come for sure.
I'm thankful to the Educated team. You guys have a wonderful team. Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks a lot.
for recognizing.
In fact, the reason why we want to do this is because you are one of the initial customers who trusted us when we were nothing as a brand. And again, if you look at what Edurifit has grown from what we started off, we are a team of 300 odd people. We started with like in the month of we got people, but we've got maybe 150 teachers. We operate in 3 different countries. So we've grown a lot, all thanks to you. Thanks for trusting us. We've got great students like Arya who have kind of delivered over and above what they're supposed to. So great. Thanks a lot.
Go for the next one in case Arya goes for it.
Definitely. That's not a problem. Again, the entire idea today is we celebrate what she's already done. So we'll go ahead with the cake cutting. You ready, Arya?
Okay, I'm cutting it now.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Arya.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Arya.
Congratulations.
Great job.
Congratulations to the team as well. Thank you
So
for
thanks a lot. So again, this is more of celebrating her efforts. Your sister get a piece of the cake.
Yeah. Here I may like to add something.
Yes.
Like one fine day when the first lockdown had started, I got a call from some non-specific company like some edu something. I never used to remember the name. And then he said me that there is some coding classes for the kids and you can try that. And I never used to remember the name Edurifit. And when Mr. Happy Singh called me, I don't remember your company's name. So he just made me understand it is Edurifit. And when I asked them how did you get my number, they said that there might be some connections, like the number gets flashed somewhere and they just sort out the kids. And few days before this, we had got a call from White Hat Junior. So we were seriously thinking about White Hat Junior. And then we got Edurifit call as well. So we contacted our mutual friend, me and my husband's mutual friend, who is a web designer. And we had given him the courses of both the company, Edurifit as well as White Hat Junior. So, and then he compared both the courses and he said that you go for this Edurifit course, which is much better, which will develop Arya in a better way in UI, UX, and then you can plan ahead for Arya. So it was his suggestion who asked us to go for Edurifit, and our experience was amazing. Arya's teacher, Christina ma'am, she is a superb teacher. She is more like a friend to Arya, because Arya never was like under this tension that today I have a class. It was always like, okay, I have a class today, I am going to do something. And she never complained कि class 1.5 घंटा चल रहा है, 2 घंटा चल रहा है. She used to enjoy that. It was never like 1 घंटा खत्म हो गया, चलो भागो यहाँ से.
Because when I talk to Christina never talks about Arya as a student. She's like, Prabhakar, you know what Arya did today? You know what Arya did? I've given her like she suggested this book to me. I suggested that book to her. They're like friends, and I don't know.
Yeah.
That's very important. That's a relationship. I think that's great.
So it was great time spent together for Christina ma'am and Arya. And Arya got enriched a lot with Christina ma'am's help. I must congratulate Edurifit for that.
It's like Arya who are actually making us, that the credit goes to her. Really, we really need more students, like bright students like her, so that we all come together and build great things. That's what the whole idea is about. So, thank you, Arya. Thank you for being a great
Every
student.
time we finish a graduation, we have this confidence that India as a country is heading in the right
direction, right?
You got the right method. Thanks a lot, Arya. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Thanks,
Congrats,
sir.
Arya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Christina. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Arya. Thanks, Christina.